M4.3. Route an order request to a purchase list. In this video, we will see how to route an order request to a purchase list. When you have registered in the order request from a client, it may happen that you don't have availability of stock of the goods requested. If so, you will need to purchase the goods. Imagine this situation. The goods to be purchased are not usual consumables. They are low-value goods that are unexpectedly needed. You will not purchase them repeatedly, but just once. To manage those kind of small unexpected purchases, we will manage them through a weekly purchase list, which is addressed to the purchaser, who will go to the market and find the best choice with a cash advance. So, to route this request into a document out, first make sure the order request is in Open Status, and then click on the Route button. This is the routing window. The main thumbnail indicates the information regarding the content of the order, the articles that you have to route, its code, description, and quantity. Afterwards, you have two other thumbnails: stock availabilities, if you want to release the goods from the store, if there's inventory, and purchase opportunities, if you want to purchase the goods requested. In this example, we have to purchase the goods, so go to the thumbnail Purchase Opportunities. The information displayed is the item number, the code, the description, type of document, supplier, price, quantity to be ordered, the balance, which is the quantity pending to be validated. And we have to fill in the gaps one by one. Here is where we can determine which type of document out we want to create. In this example, a purchase list, so we leave this option. Now it is time to specify from which purchaser we want to order those goods. There can only be one purchaser in the office. To do so, click on the arrow and scroll to find and select. Now you just have to validate the quantity to be ordered in this box and click Enter. The balance column will appear with the value 0. Everything is done now in the routing window, so we can create the document out, which will be a purchase list. To do so, go back to the thumbnail Items to be routed and click on the icon in the right upper corner of the page. The document out will be automatically created. Click Enter and you will go back to the request. If we review the order request, we will see the changes. We have validated 1 and 12 units to be routed into a purchase list. That has this reference. To finish, fill in the document out. The easier way is to double-click on the reference like this. Now to finish the purchase list, just indicate the requested delivery date in here. This is the date when the goods have to be received in coordination from supplier. Always take into account that you will need to reserve enough time to manage this transport from coordination to project if it was an order request coming from a project. If you have any remark to be printed, write it here. If any remark for yourself, write it in internal remarks and it won't be printed. An orientative price is needed because the cash advance given to the purchaser is based on it. Change the status to open and now create the PDF by clicking on the printer icon like this. To finish, print it, sign it, following the financial chart of signatures in the supply guideline and give it to the purchaser. As you see in the document of the purchase list, there's a special box to write down the cash given to the purchaser. In each item line, the purchaser will write the real price paid for the item and where it was found. With this document back in the office and the invoices or tickets, the cash will be cleared.